tayo na playoffs ng email. Punta tayo.
Oh, guys. Abangan nyo
yung hero. Ano natin doon?
Si Balmon. Okay, papakita ko sa naman nyo. Abangan nyo guys.
Dito na kayo pumili ng vlog. Sa ganda.
What's up guys? We're here sa Genay Store and very exciting day today kasi marami tayong visitor. Yung boss ko dati sa corporate world will be coming here today. Abangan nyo yun. Tapos meron pa tayong friend in the ML community.
Yes, nag-ML ka ba?
Oh, malakas ako dun bro. Si Balmon.
Trap trash talker yun. Trap trash talker.
Hi, by the way, Lawrence. So, parang personal manager.
Kaya guys, punta tayo na playoffs ng email. Punta tayo.
Oh, guys. Abangan nyo
yung hero. Ano natin doon?
Si Balmon, kumuha nung staff ko.
Sila.
Eh, punta tayo dun sa
Oh, sige, papakita ko sa naman Gusto ko 5v1.
Buti mo yung yung mga marks mo.
Ganda, no?
Let's go.
Yan na, Bray. Sige, kunya kayo para.
One click ano to?
Dito na kayo pumili ng vlog. Sa ganda.
So yun, nakabenta tayo na on Cloud Till Zendaya size 10 women's for 40,000 din. Cloud Monster Boy for 15,000.
Ano mo, boss?
Dalawang on Cloud.
On Cloud, dalawa.
Sa team namin, ayan.
Okay, hello po. Thank you.
Pinapanood ko yung vlog mo gabi-gabi.
Talaga ba?
Kaya dito kami.
Thank you, boss.
Nakakatatlo na ako sa inyo.
Oy! Nakatatlo na pala si boss eh. Bigyan nyo ng bigyan ng pre-cap.
Ayun no? Kakapwa, thank you.
Thank you ha.
Thank you.
Nakapalo. Bigyan kami isang cap. Yun no? Bagay, boss.
Thank you. Oo.
This is the black gold black gold. Black gold colorway was only released in mainland China.
What about this?
This one, it's available. This is canvas.
Canvas.
Gold. 14 carats.
What else do you have in this size?
This is called the birch India latte.
And this only thing is gold.
Yeah.
It's hard to. Sometimes it doesn't go with all. So need to. So these are the only two available in 40.
Yes. That's on hand. If you want to go for something more simple that you can wear with almost anything, this one. But if you want to go for something that's a little unique.
What's unique about this?
Yeah, the gold and also the colorway. Now your turn.
Double mine. This one.
You have the sambas, right?
Yeah.
You can use that for regular. And then I suggest you get something that's a little bit more.
This one.
Okay. So you'll get this one and then the slip-ons, right?
Slip-ons.
The slip-on size is good for your brother already.
Yeah, he said it's 8.
Yeah.
8 is 42.5, right?
42, yeah.
How much was this?
7.5.
And what about the other one?
How much per that one?
This one is 11.5. We're selling it for 11.5.
Let's have coffee or...
I'll pay for some.
Thank you. Let's go.
Nice, Dad.
500 pesos discount.
Okay guys, so yun, sold na yung last pair natin ng Cloud Till Cinder Sand. Kay Sir, what's your name?
Lawrence.
Kay Sir Lawrence, thank you po sir. Salamat po. Sir, thank you.
Hello, sir. Okay. Paano ba yan? Sir, paano gagawin natin ito? Hindi.
Din pala ako ng Mexico at Tuputin.
Tokoten, sir? Black lang din ba, sir?
Marami kami nun.
Send na lang pics.
Sige, sir. Sige, send ako sa'yo ngayon, sir. Thank you. Thank you po. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Okay, so marami tayong mga orders sa IG today kasi not everyone is able to go here sa Green Hills. Pero ayan, message lang kayo sa IG. And sasagot sa inyo. Ayan, no? Si Paolo yung sumasagot sa inyo. Yung mga nakakausap nyo doon. Si Paolo yun. So yun guys, wala na akong sasabihin iba. Outro na to. Napanood nyo naman yung video eh. Bye-bye.
Sir, drip check na.
Drip check na?
Sige, sila ako.
Oh, drip check.
So, sige. Share off-white, oh. Ay, ano yun nakasulat sa likod? Seeing Things. Virgil pag gumawa niyan. Pero it's not available here kasi na-thrift ko lang to sa Japan. Then, syempre yung diamond shorts ng Jordan. Nasa mga 2K, 3K, ganun. Then, syempre yung bike. Bike Air. Bikey, magkano to?
I think that's gonna be for 18,000 pataas. Depends sa size.
Depends sa size. So, yun. Back to you, bro.
Okay, sa akin, for the cap, we have the Chrome Hearts cap. And this is for 45,000. It's again in store. For the shirt, not available pero meron sa guest, guys, kung gusto nyo. This is for 2,000 pesos. Shorts available to sa Gitna Store. Represent, guys.
Hey, represent.
If you're familiar with the brand, that's gonna be for 10,500 pesos lang. And then we have the Jordan 1 Low Trophy Room. So, nag-Jordan 1 Low pa rin tayo. May paminsan-minsan. This is for 22,000 pataas. Depends sa size. And then for the watch, we have the Starbucks.
Let's go!